Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into something that's a total game changer for app development, the Ionic Design Kit. If you're scratching your head wondering what that's all about, stick around because you're about to find out why it's a big deal for both designers and developers. On the left-hand side of your screen, dive into the world of coding with us, guided by snippets directly from the Ionic documentation. Right in the center, check out the app screen we've designed, looking sharp and engaging, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, keep your eyes peeled on a phone emulator that's displaying the live, real-time results of our coding adventure. Feel free to hit pause whenever you want to dive deeper into any part. The Ionic Design Kit is built on top of the Ionic framework components. It's packed with a variety of pre-made elements that you can easily drag and drop into your projects. This means designers can say goodbye to the days of crafting components from the ground up. For developers, this is a dream come true. No need to get tangled up in complex coding. Everything you need is right there in the Ionic framework. Now let's zoom in on the settings screen. This is where users can really make the app their own. It's a central hub for customization, giving users the power to adjust the app to fit their preferences and needs. And the best part? With the Ionic Design Kit, implementing a user-centric settings screen is a breeze. We've crafted a guide filled with detailed instructions to support developers in the development journey. On our website, you'll discover all the necessary code snippets designed to assist you in developing a more intuitive and captivating app experience. Ready to level up your Ionic experience? Dive into the Ionic Design Kit for intuitive designs and smooth development. Here's to a journey filled with innovation and success in your coding adventures.